Bitcoin is dropping extremely fast, and if you want to know where the next levels are, make sure to continue watching this video. Hey guys, Pingu Charts here, and welcome back to another Bitcoin analysis. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. Now, we did see this massive move on Bitcoin yesterday where we actually broke three major support levels. Currently, we did mention that if Bitcoin cannot hold this around the $20,000 mark, we could see a potential scam wick to the downside around the 19.5, right? So currently, looking at it, we did see a move to the downside. It didn't quite test that level of support at 19.5, so we could see a potential move to the exponential moving average and then back down. Now, the overall picture, again, I did mention to you guys this over and over that we are in a BART formation. When will the BART stop? Well, it actually stopped around the 22.6 level and then came crashing down, right? We came like this, consolidated, and then had that move. And now the BART should close around this level at 19.2 or a continuation of a breakage of 18,800, right? So you want to be careful when you're looking for any sort of long positions right now on these support levels. These are minor support levels. And as you can see from yesterday's video, I did mention that I don't think that the 19.5 level will hold, is because we consolidated, had this manipulation, continued higher, and now we are retesting the same level again. Usually in situations like this is usually a continuation pattern to the downside. You don't necessarily see a double bottom formation like this when we have already tested this level multiple times. If I go over here on our previous price action, you can see that this level was tested multiple times and doesn't hold that much support anymore, right? The more times a support level is tested, the higher chances of it is breaking. Now we can see that we have a 1, 2, 3 test formation. We already had that move and a rejection to the downside. The chances of us breaking this level are quite high. Now, where will the level stop, right? We can see that we might have a double bottom situation here at 17.6. But guys, if we manage to break below the 17.6 level, there will be a massive capitulation on Bitcoin and it could drop extremely hard. So keep that in mind when you're trading, right? You want to be looking for shorting opportunities, but you also don't want to be entering shorts too prematurely. Currently, Bitcoin is in a oversold state, so we could see a potential bounce from here, maybe retest the highs of 21.6 and then come back down, or again have a massive wick to the upside and then come back down, right? You want to be entering a proper move, so the more chances Bitcoin goes higher, the better opportunities for a shorting position. For those bulls that are watching this video, for example, the only opportunity that the bulls can quite hold is around the 18.8 level. As long as they can continue holding that level, again, Bitcoin can continue rising. But as of right now, it does look like the bears are in control. Now, whether or not this was a manipulation move with the data that was announced, that will be coming in the next few days for us to realize, right? But as of right now, we are quite bearish on Bitcoin. If you go over on the lower time frames, you can kind of see that I've mentioned this over and over and over. When the exponentials are moving down, it usually indicates a move to the downside, and that's exactly what we saw on Bitcoin, right? We were consolidating, and yesterday I mentioned that, hey, if we cannot break above these exponential moving averages, that is a very bearish situation, and that's exactly what happened. The level was rejected, retested the support, and now the exponentials are also coming down too. So you want to keep that in mind. You don't want to be trading against the exponential moving averages. Of course, if we can get above the exponential moving averages, and that would make a bullish case on the lower time frames. But on the higher time frames, we are still looking at a test of at least the 19.5, if not the 18.8 once again. As always, that's pretty much I have everything for you guys today. If you enjoyed my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button, and I hope you guys have